Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. We're showing you things that have come into the shop or going out, and we're excited to show you there's two different refrigerators that we've got. And this one is a 1959 Frigidaire. And in another video, we'll be showing you the other one, which is a Crossley. But this is a Frigidaire 1959, and you can see that the finish is in pretty good shape, but it has some big chips in the porcelain. So what we'll be doing is some automotive paint touch-up to try to correct that. And then when we open the door, you can see that the gasket is completely rotted away. So we'll be doing a new gasket. We'll be bringing all of the steel and the chrome back to as bright as we can. You see at the trim here at the bottom. And then the sign as well. And then when we look inside, this one needs a lot of work. It's got a bad odor, which we're going to have to deodorize. We're going to be repainting with automotive paint over the aluminum frame here and cleaning the aluminum and trying to brighten that. So the freezer door and the bottom drawer will be repainted with automotive. We've got all the aluminum inside that needs to be kind of brightened and polished. And then we have a broken acrylic piece that goes across this drawer, and it's snapped in the middle. So we're going to make some acrylic pieces that are ribs, like a truss on a bridge, to try to correct that. And then we've got some plastic trays here that are not shown at the moment that are going to be repaired. And then we're going to try to brighten, of course, the rest of the aluminum, deodorize, as I said. And then inside the freezer, straight aluminum. The ice trays are with us too. We hope to get those bent back into shape. And the folks are actually wanting to use this. This was something that they had, you know, their grandparents had. And you see that this gasket needs to be replaced. So this is quite a project. It's going to be definitely something used in the family. And you can see that this step will go to bright steel as well. So all of that will be corrected. So we're about to submit our proposal and see if the customer agrees with the cost of getting this done. And the question becomes, how sentimental are you? And that is what our shop is filled with, all the sentimental items to be restored. And are they something that are worth it to you? Do they tell the legend or the story, or is it something you just bought on Craigslist? Thanks for watching.